3-ingredient Moroccan orange brownies. Makes 4 servings and takes 35 minutes. Fudgy, aromatic, baked and simple. 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. 2 large eggs. Optional 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for Moroccan aroma. Optional 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water to brighten the flavor. These 3-ingredient Moroccan orange brownies are ready. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick baked treats.